The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has strongly denied allegations of internal strife following reports of a physical altercation between its deputy president, John Hlophe, and chief whip Mzwanele Manyi. The controversy stems from claims that tensions flared after Hlophe dedicated his State of the Nation address SONA debate speech to former President Jacob Zuma, praising him as the best president ever. According to News 24, Zuma was reportedly displeased with Hlophe's remarks and confronted him, leading to a heated exchange between Hlophe and Manyi during a party meeting the following Wednesday. It was alleged that the disagreement escalated to a physical confrontation, with Hlophe supposedly grabbing Manyi by the neck and accusing him of betrayal. However, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party has firmly refuted these reports, condemning what it describes as misinformation designed to sow division within its ranks. In an official statement, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela dismissed the claims as baseless and criticized media outlets for misrepresenting routine internal discussions as conflict, and said we categorically state that these allegations are entirely baseless. It is disingenuous to characterize internal party discussions as a fight, let alone a physical confrontation. Such distortions serve only to mislead the public and undermine the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's credibility and our principles of discipline. The party also took aim at the South African Broadcasting Corporation (SABC), expressing disappointments that the public broadcaster had, in its view, amplified the unfounded narrative rather than prioritizing journalistic integrity, and said Umkhonto weSizwe Party wants to state that against the wishes of those who fear the power of the MK Party and attempt to drive a wedge amongst our leadership, we remain united and steadfast in our mission to serve the people of South Africa. The party urged media organizations to adhere to responsible reporting and refrain from what it described as politically motivated misinformation. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.